Hi guys, finally I bought my aquarium. Okay, so this is the first time I'm buying. This is a beginner guide. Whatever I'm saying here is only from the guy who I bought from the shop, his advisors. Okay, so everything is from the shop guy's advisors. I'm not giving any advice here. Okay, so first time when you buy this aquarium, okay, you can see the fish here. You have to put it in for at least 2-3 minutes. Okay, you can see the fish. So we have a few fishes here. Okay, make sure to buy the catfish. It cleans the aquarium. Okay, and then you have a few more fishes. Okay, so you leave it in for a while. Okay, let it sink with the environment. Okay, let the temperature all okay, and then only you let go. So before we do that, okay, we need to decorate the fish tank. Okay, so first here you can see I have like a small house for the fishes, tomato size. Okay, so this one we'll put it at the side. Okay, let me just put it in first. Yep, let it land a bit. I've already put in the sand. Okay, it's not landing. Okay, let all the bubbles come out. Okay, now we land it properly. Okay, great. Okay, next I have a few more things. Okay, all this is like a bit of art from the sea. Okay, this one you can see all this is crystals, so it look very nice when you put it in. Okay, and this is a Shiva Linga. Okay, so cool. So this one I'll put it a flower below like that, and then we put it in. Okay, so it looks lively a bit. Yeah, so your aquarium is, you do it according to your taste lah. Okay, come on, it's not sticking in properly. Okay, there we go. Okay, this one in. Keep on bumping up. Okay, you leave it in first. Okay, and finally goes in the turtle. Okay, that gives the turtle some color. Okay guys. Okay, now we have to pour in the water. Okay, you have to fill in up at least until here lah. Okay, this 3/4 of this one. Okay, we have to fill up somewhere until here. Okay, let's pour a bit more water. Okay, is it enough or should I go a bit more? Okay, so we go up until here, but we should not cover the hose on top lah. Let's hold the hose a bit. Okay, great. Okay, so now you can see the aquarium has all the decorations below. Okay, very nicely put. Okay, and you can see the water flowing. Okay, we have the filter and everything set up. So I'll list down this aquarium in the description. If you all want, you all can check it out. It's in the TikTok. Okay, now let's release our fish. For the fish, let it go with the plastic. Okay, let it go with the plastic. Okay, let it come out by itself. Okay, you can see the fish is inside the plastic. slowly going down. Okay, now you can see the water are all mixing up. Okay, now let the fish come out by itself. There, one has already come out. Number 2 is out, exploring the new world. Where's number 3? Come on, red fish. Oh, there's another one here. Let me just close it. Okay, this aquarium comes with light, you can see, it's very beautiful. So they are all exploring things, guys. Okay, so beautiful to see. I think one is stuck below. The catfish is not coming out at all. Come on, don't be shy. Okay, there comes out one, and the last one is the catfish. It's sticking to the plastic. Oh, no, no, no. Let's stick it up. Yes, finally the catfish is out, guys. Wow. Okay, that was a tough one. Let's check all the fishes are there or not. So we have two small, two red, and I think there's 2 yellow, if I'm not mistaken. 2 red. I feel one is missing. There should be 5 big fishes. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, yeah. Okay, and 2 yellow small fishes, 1 catfish. Okay, we are done. So if you all like this video, please follow for more fish updates, 3 after 40, more gadgets. So this channel is very private to me. Okay, whatever I do, it's all recorded in YouTube. Okay, so join me for the fun, guys. Love you all.